Hello TechHub.training family, welcome to another challenge. Here we're trying to use ChatGPT, Excel, and Python to create your own personal interactive accounting dictionary. So first of all, I have provided you a data file with all the terms that we usually use, 100 terms that we use in accounting. And here the goal is to use ChatGPT to find the explanation for each of these terms. So what you can do here is usually you can copy 10 to 20 terms and ask ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT here. So you can say, hey chat, can you help me? Can you give me explanations of these following accounting vocab? And then shift enter to copy and paste all those terms. And then at the end you can say, explain to me as if I am a 5-year-old. Okay, let's see what chat gives you. Also, before you do that, it's beneficial to do the output as table format, and that will give you a nice copy and pasting format. So press enter to let ChatGPT run. Let's see what they got. So as you can see, ChatGPT gives you all the explanation, the simple explanation to a 5-year-old for these accounting terms. So what you can do here is you can just copy all of these and then paste right here, paste values only, match destination format right here. Coolio. Awesome. So you do that for all the 100 terms. Shouldn't take that long. Chat is pretty fast, and the data set is pretty awesome, created by ChatGPT here. So you have a personal dictionary. Now you want to create an interactive interface that you can use. So you close that, you close the Excel file, and certainly close chat. Open up your Python coding platform. I use Visual Studio Code and the Jupyter Notebook here. So first you import pandas and import OS. That's optional, but pandas is what we want to do here. So first of all, you use panda pd.readExcel to read in the Excel file you just created. Remember the sheet name, you can put as double quotes sheet 1 or 0. 0 means the first sheet in the spreadsheet file. So here I used input to prompt the user to type in some stuff up here on the search bar. So let me give you an example here. So down here I set HRU, the variable, equals to input of how are you. So let's see what it does. So if I run this, it prompts me to input something, and then the prompt is how are you. So I say good, and that prints out good. And HRU, the variable, stores what I typed. So here, what we did is we prompt the user to input what accounting vocabulary you want to learn. And then you will store that user input, and you want to check if that user input is in your dictionary, is in your data frame or not. And if it's in the data frame, you try to find the explanation for that vocabulary. So what you can do here is you use, that's the data frame right here, data frame dot query, and then the criteria here, you use an F string to state it, because when you use query, it reads in a string. So here you set the criteria as term equal to user underscore input, which means because back in the dictionary, your column's name is term. So that's the criteria right here within the parentheses. And then the square brackets here return the column you want. So here you want to return explanation, and then the dot iLook0 will give you the first result. And it formats your answer to a string instead of a series, which is awesome. So here you have a print statement, you print out the explanation, and then down here you prompt the user to by asking him, oh, do you want to repeat? You can type in yes or no, make it case insensitive by changing everything to uppercase. If they say no or not yes, then you end the loop. You break the loop, because this while true loop will run until you break it. If they say no, then you break the loop. Okay, so that's the first part. If the user input is included in your personalized dictionary. If it's not in your dictionary, then you will print out this prompt saying, okay, the vocabulary you chose is not on the list yet. Please try another one. So here you would want to ask the user if they want to quit the program or not. If they say yes, then you break. If they say no, then the program will run all the way back to the top line here to ask the user to input what vocab to learn, and then it repeats the program until you break it. Awesome, so let's run this and test it out. So here we're inputting pandas, so it might take a while. Okay, awesome. So it prompts me to put in an accounting vocabulary. So say I want to learn what account is. Press enter. Okay, here's the explanation. Think of it like a special box where we keep track of money coming in and going out. Awesome. Do I want to repeat? No. Type no. That's the end of the program. This is pretty useful, and if you want to learn more about Python and create a prettier interface, can use tkinter or other packages in Python, but this is a simple way to create an interactive platform for you to interact with the dictionary. For more challenges for ChatGPT, Excel, and Python, please visit TechHub.training. Hopefully this was helpful. Have a good day.